Yeah, I just got back from Barcelona. Life's crazy. Ay, don't call me on my lonesome. You can find me riding through the city with my bro.
Alright guys, what's good? It's me, C, or Soul Search. Thank you for checking out this video. Alright, as you can tell with the box, I know this video, or you've probably seen this sneaker 10 million times, right? But I really love this shoe. I love everything from the packaging to everything. So I'm gonna do my sneaker review and my look at the everything. All right, so stay tuned. If you're watching, you appreciate it also, so this is for you. All right, first off, this packaging is A1. The colors are this like nice beige, yellow, cream with the, I don't even know what kind of blue that is. All right, if you watched my last video, I think it's like I blew 1K on sneakers or something like that, over 1K. I picked this shoe up. I actually picked up multiple pairs of this shoe, but this was one of the pairs. I'm going to show you the small size because the bigger sizes I have like stacked underneath boxes, and this is a pair I can maneuver with. All right, this is called the Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. I guess that's new for special or some sort. The color is off Noir Fusion Red. Just red on the shoe. I wonder how the coloring is like labeled. There's not much of it. That's it. This color might be like a dark sale or something, but the shoe retailed for $250. I believe that's what I paid for it. Yikes. But mark my words, this shoe's gonna go to the moon. To the moon, you hear me? To the moon. Alright, so with the lid off, the wrapping paper is crazy. It's an overhead view of Jordan. I don't know what he's doing. Looking down, looks like fan mail or something like that. I don't know. I don't know if it's an on-court pick, pre-game, post-game, but it's a little nice discovery when you lift up the lid off the box. All right, it's double wrapped, and oh my Lanta, it's just sitting there also perfectly. This shoe is bonkers. From the materials, the suede, the tight mesh, the cage, the sole. It's like sticker pricing. Like came with that. I should actually pull that off because that becomes a problem later. But yeah, look at. Oh, I guess it does have some red. I guess this would be the Fusion Red. And it has the Nike Air. The Nike Air on it. That means a lot to like the OGs, if you know. There's people who would only wear a Jordan if it has Nike Air. It's that Jumpman stuff. It's not right, man. It's not right. Let's get both pairs out of the box. Let's get it out of the box. You rest there, sweet prince. Rest there. All right, so both out. Hang tag with that same light blue. Union on the reverse side is kind of translucent, transparent. Air Jordan on the tongue. Let's see if we can Union. Right there. Union on the insole. And if you, most likely if you're watching this, or maybe you haven't, you've seen Union's first Jordan release, the Jordan 1s. Comes with the yellow, the bright yellow. Maybe this would be called gold. University gold or maize lace. This lace and a pair of Jordans, Union Jordans, matter of fact, any Jordan makes them pop. That's the first lace I'm throwing on mine. But as you can see, sole, midsole, outsole, air bubble, orange on the inside, tag, Union / LA, UN/LA. All right, so the big hype behind this was, I don't know if you can see the threading there, but yep, you can see it. The stitching that's going across the insole there, the yellow stitching. All right, so that, I know you probably say this, that looks a little bit different from your standard Jordan 4. Normally Jordan 4 has a tongue that's sticking up. Well, the big controversy over this shoe, when images leaked, people were like, I hate it, I'm not buying that, it's crap. As Chris Union decided to do something a bit different. He had the tongue, which normally stands up like that, fold it forward, and stitched. And I guess he wanted it to be a permanent decision, but Jordan Brand and Nike is like, we can't do that. We can find a compromise. How about we can sew the tongue down, and if people who buy it really hate it and want their classic Jordan 4, they could just remove the stitching and go full tongue up. But nah, man. You gotta rock a shoe as it's made, as it's intended to be worn. If you want your tongue up on your Jordan 4, go buy any other pair. They all come that way. But the Unions, I believe you should keep it classic. Keep it, not classic, but keep it the way the creator intended it, alright? You don't go to a museum and buy a painting and be like, oh, this should be purple, and throw some paint on it. Hell no. Respect the art, people. Respect the goddamn art. But that's my review of the shoe. Got your blue hits, your off Noir, which is that black, white cage, sail, cream colored mid and outsole, your tongue sewed down, and your yellow laces. What more could you want? And the packaging, people, is impeccable. But thanks for checking out my vid, guys. Appreciate you. Love y'all. Please don't forget to hit that like, comment. Let me know what you think about these. If you think this is the greatest shoe of the year, I think so. But let me know what you think, and hit that subscribe button. It won't hurt. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Truly grateful. Peace. Later, y'all.